Are you tired of all the fad diets and nutrition myths out there? It seems like there's a new food demonization going on every week. And lately, potatoes have been getting a lot of bad press. But what if I told you that potatoes can actually be a healthy and delicious part of your diet? In this video, we gonna debunk some common myths about potatoes and talk about why you should consider adding more of them to your meals. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about why you should be eating more potatoes. And there are several reasons why these humble spuds deserve a place on your plate. Reason number 1, they're rich in nutrients. Potatoes are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. They're high in vitamin C, which is important for immune health and skin health. They're also a good source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Plus, they contain B6 and iron, which are important for energy production and overall well-being. And don't forget about the fiber. Eating potatoes with their skin on can provide a good dose of dietary fiber, which is important for digestion and keeping you feeling full during meals. Reason number 2, they're naturally fat-free and low in calories. Sure, potatoes can be loaded with butter and sour cream, turning them into a high-calorie, high-fat meal. But on their own, potatoes are pretty low in calories and fat. A medium-sized potato has about 110 calories and 0 fat and cholesterol. Reason number 3, they have a high satiety index. This refers to how full a particular food makes you after you eat it. Potatoes are one of the most filling foods out there. They rank highest on the satiety index, which means they can help control hunger and support weight management. Reason number 4, they contain complex carbohydrates. Unlike refined carbohydrates like white rice and bread, potatoes offer complex carbohydrates. These carbs are digested more slowly, providing a more gradual and sustained release of energy into your bloodstream. This helps prevent the rapid spike in blood sugar that can occur after consuming refined carbs. Reason number 5, they're a source of resistant starch. Did you know that when potatoes are cooked and then cooled down, they form a type of starch called resistant starch? This unique starch acts like a fiber and can feed beneficial gut bacteria. It's also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. So if you're looking to add more fiber to your diet, eat your veggies or fruit for snacks, consider reaching for a cold potato like a baked potato that's been chilled overnight. Now that you know the benefits of eating potatoes, let's discuss the best ways to prepare them to maximize their nutritional value. First up, boiling. Boiling potatoes in their skin is a great way to keep most of their nutrients intact while keeping the calorie content low. Just make sure not to overboil them, as this can lead to a loss of texture and micronutrients. Next, baking or roasting. Whether you prefer them baked or roasted, these methods require no added fat and can be very satisfying. If you want to add flavor without extra calories, toss them with a bit of olive oil, herbs, and garlic before roasting. Steaming is another excellent option. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that retains both nutrients and texture. Steamed potatoes can be a great base for salads or meal prep bowls. Now let's talk about mashing. Mashed potatoes are a comfort food classic, but they can be high in calories and fat if made with heavy cream or butter. Instead, try using low-fat milk or Greek yogurt and adding flavor with garlic and fresh herbs. Finally, air frying or oven frying is a much healthier alternative to deep frying. These methods use a fraction of the oil, resulting in crispy potatoes with far fewer calories. So there you have it. Not only are potatoes a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, but they can also be prepared in a variety of healthy ways. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Potatoes are a versatile and satisfying food that can be enjoyed by everyone. So next time you see a potato, don't think twice. Eat it with pride. And remember, the way you cook your potatoes can make a big difference in their nutritional profile. So try out different cooking methods and experiment with healthy seasonings and toppings to find your favorite healthy potato dishes. What are your go-to healthy potato recipes? Share them in the comments below.